Inside the Total Traffic Center, you'll learn how to generate almost unlimited traffic practically on demand. You see, over the past couple of years, we've realized traffic is a big stumbling block for many of our members. That's why we've created brand new modules to deliver all the latest traffic training and easy to follow video tutorials. And now you know exactly where to go and what to do to unleash a flash flood of traffic to your own offers or to someone else's whenever you want. And finally, the ClickBank University private forum community. If you asked me to name the #1 way you could speed up your success with the ClickBank business, it would be this. Get involved with a mastermind group of like-minded people, success-seeking people who are there to encourage, critique, and inspire you along the way. We've created the ClickBank University private forum community so you don't have to go at it alone. Guaranteed, you're going to want to spill your success stories on the forum, motivating others to reach higher and shoot for the stars. And in turn, when you read other people's success stories, you too are going to feel that rush of excitement as you realize that if they can do it, you can do it too. There's nothing more powerful than tapping into a brain trust of folks all on the same journey to wealth that you are. Honestly, I can't think of a more valuable addition to ClickBank University 2.0 than the forum. You're gonna love it. And it's all free as part of your membership.
Now, you may be worried about the price of this program, thinking it's probably a little bit out of reach. After all, you can't expect to build a sustainable online business for anything less than thousands of dollars, right? Well, the good news is you're not going to have to invest thousands of dollars. You're not even going to have to invest hundreds of dollars. Here at ClickBank University 2.0, it's our wish to provide you a can't-fail blueprint for creating an income online. And we want to make it affordable for everyone. Remember, we want to inspire and create 1 million successful ClickBank entrepreneurs. Because of that, we've put together a very special deal for you. Click the button below right now and you can get access for just $47. That's a drop in a bucket for the potential income this training can generate for you. We just launched ClickBank University 2.0 to the mass public on April 30th of this year. And in celebrating our launch, we're making your decision to join ClickBank University a complete no-brainer. See, last minute, we decided to give you a little nudge in the right direction. We're going to give you a 50% off grand opening discount if you join today. That means you can join for just $23.50. That's a ridiculously low price for what you're getting inside. This grand opening discount will go away very soon, so we can only guarantee you this price if you join right now today. And there's no risk either. Everything is backed up by ClickBank's very own ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. You have a full 30 days to go through the training and implement, and if any time before those 30 days you're not thrilled with the cold, hard cash results that appear when you put together your ClickBank campaigns, then you're entitled to a full, no questions asked refund. If you're not over the moon at what this all means for your income, your future wealth, and the higher standard of living for you and those around you, you're entitled to a full, no questions asked refund. And even if you just get bored listening to Milana and I, then guess what? You're entitled to a full, no questions asked refund. So check out the entire program today because there's absolutely no risk. You have nothing to lose and you have just ClickBank income streams to gain.
Hi, I'm Andrea Albright, founder of BikiniButt.com, and I am a huge fan of ClickBank. ClickBank has allowed me to create products that have helped hundreds of thousands of women to lose weight and get a great butt, and they also are so reliable. They take part of my business, and I know that I can count on them month after month, which allows me to just focus on what I love to do. I also love that they have the best affiliate network I've ever seen. The affiliates are so well taken care of. I'm an affiliate for many of ClickBank's products, and it is just a great place to build a business, to have a fantastic internet lifestyle. I mean, I'm in Mexico right now, beautiful Cancun. If you have to do business somewhere, you might as well enjoy it, have a great time, and work with incredible people. So thank you, ClickBank.
Okay, let's have a little fun. Let's say you want to aim for some recurring revenue. Recurring revenue is predictable, it's stable, and can be counted on in the future. Let me give you an example. Just one sale per day of $50 will yield a cool $1,500 for the month. But let's take that a step further. Let's say you create a membership site where new content is added every week or every month. And now, instead of a $50 one-time fee, having new content added regularly merits a membership fee of $50 per month. So we know the first month would yield up to $1,500. Yet in the second month, assuming everybody sticks and every sale continues to come in, earnings could then double up to $3,000 a month. And then the next month, you could be up to $4,500. And in the next, a healthy $6,000 a month. That's how recurring revenue works. And it just grows, it expands, and it decreases from there day by day and month by month. Does that sound like fun? You bet it does. And we'll show you how inside the members area. Remember, when you enroll in ClickBank University, you're not just getting an online income-generating training program. You're joining an entire movement. You're becoming part of ClickBank's goal to empower, enrich, and inspire 1 million online entrepreneurs. We want you to be our newest recruit. So what do you have to lose? Join us today and be part of something really special. Tell them what they're going to get, Justin.
Just go ahead and click the button below this video and you're going to gain immediate access to brand new fully upgraded ClickBank University 2.0 courses, the weekly expert classes, the specially curated add-on crash courses, the weekly live Q&As with us, the CBU Toolkit, massive discounts on our favorite tools and services, the opportunity to join us at CBU live events for the fraction of the full price, and the private ClickBank University forum community. When you click the button below, you're going to be taken to a screen that looks like this. Simply fill in the form. It's totally secure with ClickBank's world-renowned encryption technology, and then you're going to end up at a page where you can access everything I told you about in this video. Let me ask you a question. What will your life look like within the next year or two? Imagine this time next year, you've got an online business that generates income for you around the clock. A business that you're just so proud of that you wake up every single day feeling inspired. Simply recommending products you love for a healthy commission payment, or sharing your favorite hobby, passion, or pastime with the whole world. Work begins to feel like play now. You've got a sense of momentum and drive every day because you're clear on how to generate sales, profits, and income online. And when you make that first ClickBank sale, oh boy, all right, it is such a rush. You may even jump up and down on the spot because that's what I did. And you made it because not only do you have expert training directly from the source, you also have the support of a community of like-minded entrepreneurs who've got your back. You're never alone, and you're always on the right path to hitting your financial goals. Picture yourself with more than enough money pouring in every month to cover your car payment, your bills, your groceries, free and clear with nothing to worry about. You've finally got enough stored away in the bank to pay off all your debts, maybe put down a payment on a new home, or take a fully paid for vacation once in a while. Maybe now you have enough money coming in to cover your kids' college fees or put away for your retirement. Imagine the security and peace of mind that would bring you. Or maybe you've always wanted to go backpacking overseas, spend an entire summer in another country, or maybe support a cause that you believe in.
Speaking of which, a percentage of the revenue generated from enrollment of our members in ClickBank University will go directly to our sponsor charity, Pencils of Promise. Pencils of Promise believes that every child should have access to education. They create schools, programs, and global communities around the common goal of education for all. And we're so proud to support them here at ClickBank University. Now, you're not just investing in your future, but in the future of thousands of disadvantaged children at the same time. We want to help 1 million people like you reach their financial goals. We want to give continued support to Pencils of Promise. And help you taste the freedom online success can bring. Are you beginning to see how you can build a great business and generate real wealth online? It all starts right here, right now. Yes, maybe you've been led down the wrong path before. You've been led astray by shiny objects pitched to you by unscrupulous marketers. It's not your fault, but it is your chance. It's your opportunity. Heck, it's your responsibility to make all of that change right now. Take ClickBank University for a 30-day test drive today. If you're not blown away by how easy it is to set up fresh new income streams day after day without needing to spend any money, then simply send an email requesting a full refund. No questions asked. You've got nothing to lose, but everything to gain. As soon as you get access, here's what we want you to do. Click on the Start Here tab where we'll give you an overview of the system and the full uncut story of how we got successful on ClickBank and how you can now copy our success. Remember, you get the all-new ClickBank University 2.0 program, the weekly expert classes, the specially curated crash courses, the weekly live Q&As, the CBU Rolodex, massive discounts on our favorite tools and services, the opportunity to join us at CBU live events, and the private ClickBank University forum community. So right now, there's only one thing left to do. Click on the button below and let's get you making that first oh-so-sweet ClickBank sale and watch how your life changes in ways unimagined. Suddenly, you're leaping out of bed, rushing to your laptop, eager to log in to your ClickBank account. You're so inspired and excited because every time you implement something new from ClickBank University, your income grows. It expands until you're making more than part-time cash. You're bringing down a full-time salary and you know it will get even bigger from there. And every day you're checking in with the private community because you can't wait to share your success stories. You love connecting with others, helping them along, and of course, they do the same for you. So join us right now and go ahead and become part of the new breed of online entrepreneurs who said see ya to the 9-to-5 grind and started picturing the kind of life that you've always wanted to live because now it's within your reach.